So in this video, I'm gonna share with you why I left Daily Digital Club, and hopefully this will help you decide whether or not Daily Digital Club is for you. All right, so I joined Daily Digital Club a couple years ago, maybe 2019, 2020, maybe, I don't know. But it was a few years ago, and I got into the opportunity because it looked like a good opportunity, straight up. Like, Daily Digital Club basically was a training platform that you promoted. Well, first you joined as a member, and then you actually promote the company, you promote the product, and you get $25 commissions. All right. Now, the way it was set up was, it's like you get your first commission, then you got to pass up your second commission, and then you get your third and pass up your fourth, something like that. But then after like your fifth sale from Daily Digital Club, it's all pure profit, right? So that's mainly what the program is all about. And they have different, trainings at the $25 level. What you get is a lot of training, internet marketing training. It's basic training, but if you a newbie, like, it can be very helpful training, right? Just getting started with marketing online. So then what they do, they actually added different levels. Okay, so you could be at the $25 level, and then once you get experience, once you start generating some money, there's another $100 level, and then there's maybe a $300 level, and so on and so on. But the highest level at Daily Digital Club that I seen was $1,000 level. Now keep in mind, every level you get to, right, you get 100% commissions. So ultimately, if you get to the point where you get, the $1,000 membership, you actually earn $1,000 commissions. All right, so it's very enticing to a lot of people. All right, now when I first got it with Daily Digital Club, I think it was only high as you could go was, I think, like the $100 level, or maybe the $300 level. I don't remember. But so overall, the program's not bad, right? It's not bad. But why I left was, with the $25, keep in mind this is a monthly membership, all right? So to stay active with Daily Digital Club, you need to pay $25 a month. And that's not bad. That's not bad. Because if you're responsible, right, and you really take this business opportunity serious, okay, it's nothing, because you got to pay $25. What I didn't like about Daily Digital Club is you're responsible for getting out. Let me say it a different way. They don't have auto pay, right? So for example, when you get members, all right, to join Daily Digital Club, you promote it, you get a member, you get that first $25 commission. You super excited. You like, hell yeah, this is, oh yeah, I like this, right? Now, when 30 days roll around, that person that signed up, it's their responsibility to go into the account and renew their $25 subscription. If they don't do that, right, you lose it. Like, you don't earn that $25 commission that following month. Keep in mind, Daily Digital Club is supposed to be, a residual income, a monthly income, automatic income, right? And anytime you have a program like that, you want to, once you put in that work and you get a customer, whatever, or you get a member, you want to sit back and don't have to worry about that money, coming in or not. So when people join and they don't renew, right? Because remember, Daily Digital Club does not automatically renew. So you have to go back and you have to remind all these people every month and be like, hey, don't forget, you got to renew. Now, granted, Daily Digital Club did send a reminder message, I believe. But even with that, it's like people are so fickle, right? People are like, oh, if they didn't make money in that first month, they're not going to renew, because they're like, what am I renewing this for? And to me, it really hurt, the retention rate, right? Every month you got to go in and you got to send out emails. Keep in mind, you still promoting, trying to get new members, but then you got to go back every month and check who didn't renew, right? And I just found out, I found where a lot of people just didn't renew, right? And it wasn't my fault, right? But it's just like the people that joined, they just wasn't serious about that opportunity. And if you attract people that's not serious to that opportunity, and they're not going to be responsible enough to pay their $25 a month fee, you're not going to make the money that you think you're going to make on a monthly basis. Now, if you just go into Daily Digital Club, or you're just trying to get like $25, commissions, great. You know what I'm saying? Great. But Daily Digital Club is usually promoted as being a residual monthly income, but it's just hard to maintain that income. Let me just say this. I am not an active member of Daily Digital Club, but it is a legit way to make money. It really has training. You really do earn money with it. You're counting on people to, pay you, earn commissions. It is a legit platform that's been around several years. So if you want to mess with Daily Digital Club, get involved with it, it's all good. Just know my experience with it and why I left. But since then, I have found a few other opportunities that I love, right? And that I rock with super hard. And if you want to check out what I'm doing right now to earn money online, monthly income online, you want to watch this video right here, right now.